Assalamu alaikum. Today I am going to present you in the favor, or you can say a good news about media. In today's fast-moving era, media is playing an active role in providing the information about each and every field of life. As in other words, it has turned the whole world into a global village, and no one can deny its role in making the society. Media is not only a source of information, but it also educates and entertains the people. As far as the information is concerned, no doubt Pakistan media is playing an active role in informing the people about each and every walk of life. It is giving a coverage to all the issues, ranging from minor street controversy to terrorism at the international level. Pakistan media is also playing a pivotal role in providing the information regarding the prevalent issue of dengue fever. On the other hand, media represents the culture, norms, and the values of country. I have an example of women that to see what they look like, they look at the mirror. To see what they look like, they look at the mirror. And to look like what they see, guess what they see? They read magazines. So, ladies and gentlemen, accurate and the sufficient information enable the people to better enjoy their freedom of success, helping them making the right decisions and taking the right course of information beneficial to them. In the end, I would just like to say thanks to media, people now have opportunity to engage with all sort of information, ranging from news to science and technology. Thank you, and I am giving the presentation to my neighbor, to my friend Usman.
Thank you, Shazid. I think every single person in the world is working like a media, not a TV screen, because people do not realize how to spend time on watching television. If they spend 1 hour a day, that is 365 hours in a year, and 3,607 hours in 10 years. Now you can only imagine what they could do with that time. It is possible to learn a language or do a course, not a cheap entertainment which is against our culture and ideology. If I come on the news of media, media must apart the bringers of bad news, because the bad news gets higher rating and sales, so that the negative nature most of the news media makes it higher to go on this country. If I come on the news of bad and persuasive and propaganda of media, media makes propagate, fabricate and false news about different persons. Let's assume I am the most popular person in the world and I give the interview to the private channel. During the interview, the TV host asked me a question. The question is that, Mr. Usman, who is your favorite actor or actress? Then I replied, I like Angelina and she is my favorite actress. I guarantee you, the next moment the news will be on air on every TV screen. And the news is that Mr. Usman falls in love with Angelina. But honestly speaking, I just told that I like her. I like her due to her acting, not love her. And there is a lot of difference between like and love. I don't know who is she. Anyhow, media makes propaganda propagate for their vested own interest. If I come on the reality TV shows, scandal, and media makes false entertainment, wrong entertainment. And last time I watched the secret video clip of the media. In the back of camera, media TV anchors, TV news hosts talk very cheap news, very cheap discussions. Those TV hosts come on the eye of camera, talk very good discussions are very news. At the end, I think media could not be eligible for getting the knowledge about any religion. If you want to get the knowledge about any religion, then read holy books, not media. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum guys. Today I'll give the information news about the media. information on a large scale through the use of television, newspaper, movies and internet is known as media. The first television transmission is done in 1927 by Philo Frankfurt. In Pakistan, the first news agency was Associated Press of Pakistan. Associated Press of Pakistan that is established in 1947 by Eastern Trust. At the time of independence, there are only 3 radio stations in Lahore, Peshawar, Dhaka in Pakistan. Radio Station Pakistan gave the news of independence on 14th of August 1947. Pakistan Broadcasting Corporation was established in 1972. According to the Pakistan Regulatory Authority, there were only 24 radio channels in Pakistan in 1964. Surprisingly, the decisive independent bomb creative in media is due to Pervez Musharraf. He gave the free hand to media, and he introduced the media as a free country. Pembra issued 78 TV license and but 2,346 landing rights that coverage from abroad. Now, how can media do to initiate and sorry sir. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum guys, I'm here to present you about persuasive news about media. Today media has become very necessary to our society. It is true media playing an outstanding role in our strengthening the society. Today media up to mark by providing all kind of information, news, views on different subjects, social, economics, business, science from different parts of the world. A person can sitting at any corner of the world can easily access the information related to the Wall Street crisis at any corner just because of media. So we can protect ourselves from them. We could be warned of danger and could be avoid them. Media has revolutionized the society by educating the people on national, international and political issues. Today, media has a lot of facilitators. Media also play a very important role for business. It also helps to progress the business. Media provide the information about market and investment-friendly regions. It helps to promote their productions and very soft image of their country and bring investment. It is a great source of entertainment. Some watching TVs, listen the radio, reading the magazines. Some people enjoying watching TV as way to time pass, or some as a family, as way to spend family time.